Okay, now let's try to answer the questions related to boiling point and intermolecular forces. Let's say we have these two molecules, Br2 and ICl. So which molecule has a higher boiling point? And explain. So in order to identify the intermolecular forces, okay, we need to have the correct Lewis structure and the correct molecular geometry. So in this case, you need to draw the Lewis structure first. Okay, so for Br2 14 okay, already octet for Br2, and for ICl okay, I bonded to Cl. Okay, so we have two linear molecule. Okay, one Br2 is obviously non-polar molecule, and ICl is polar molecule. Okay, since chlorine is more electronegative than iodine. Okay, therefore the intermolecular forces between Br2 is London forces. Okay, for ICl, the intermolecular forces is dipole-dipole forces and London forces. Okay, therefore, since dipole-dipole forces is stronger than London forces, therefore the boiling point of ICl is higher than Br2. Okay, for I2 and Br2, so both are non-polar molecule. Both are non-polar molecules. Okay, but they have different molecular weight. Okay, which one has higher molecular weight? I2. So I2 has higher molecular weight and bigger. Okay, higher molecular weight and bigger molecular size than Br2. Okay, so the strength of van der Waals forces between I2 molecule is greater than Br2. Van der Waals forces between I2 molecules greater than Br2 molecule. Okay, for this question, comparison between H2O and C2H6. Okay, you need to know that H2O, the molecular geometry is V-shaped. Okay, C2H6. Okay, this is C2H6. Okay, carbon bonded to hydrogen atoms. So carbon and hydrogen is non-polar molecule because the electronegativity is very small. So this is slightly polarized, or we call it as non-polar bond between carbon and hydrogen. So C2H6 is non-polar molecule. And H2O is polar molecule. Okay, but before that, we need to identify between H2O and C2H6 which one can form hydrogen bond, because here we have hydrogen atom. Okay, in H2O we have hydrogen atom bonded to oxygen, which is the requirement for the formation of hydrogen bond. Okay, remember that we need to have H bonded to F, or H bonded to O, or H bonded to N in order to form hydrogen bond between molecules. So H2O can form hydrogen bond between molecules while C2H6 cannot form hydrogen bond between molecules, because the hydrogen atom here is bonded to carbon, not fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. So since H2O can form hydrogen bond between molecules and C2H6 only form van der Waals forces between molecules, so hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Therefore, the boiling point of H2O is higher than C2H6, okay, because of the presence of hydrogen bond between H2O molecules. Okay, how about this? If we have two molecules that can form hydrogen bond between molecules, okay, because H2O, okay, we have hydrogen bonded to oxygen atom, and in ammonia and H3 we also have hydrogen atom that bonded to nitrogen atom. So these two molecules both can form hydrogen bond between their molecules. So which hydrogen bond is stronger between H2O and H3? So in this case, we need to compare the polarity of oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, since oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen, so hydrogen bond between H2O molecules are stronger than NH3 molecules. Therefore, the boiling point of H2O is higher than NH3. Okay, how to answer this question? Ethanol and dimethyl ether have the same molar mass. Which of the compounds has the higher boiling point? Explain. Okay, do you think these two molecules can form hydrogen bond between their molecules? Okay, you need to draw the Lewis structure and check whether these two molecules can form hydrogen bond or not. Okay, for this question, you need to expand the structure of C2H5OH given and CH3OCH3. Okay, this is the Lewis structure for ethanol and dimethyl ether. Okay, if we check the hydrogen atom in these two molecules, in ethanol we have hydrogen bonded to oxygen atom. Okay, this hydrogen is bonded to oxygen. Okay, while in dimethyl ether, all the hydrogen atoms are bonded to carbon atom. So ethanol can form hydrogen bond. Okay, ethanol. So ethanol can form hydrogen bond between their molecules, while dimethyl ether can only form van der Waals forces between their molecules. since hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Therefore, the boiling point of ethanol is higher than dimethyl ether. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.